My name is Jeanna Wilkerson, and I'm one of the nurse injectors at Utah Facial Plastics. I specialize in all the injectables, Botox, fillers, Kybella, and Sculptra. I started in the nursing field, and I made my way eventually into the aesthetic nursing field, and I realized that this is my passion, and I love taking care of my patients and making them feel more confident and beautiful. I mostly specialize in the injectables, a lot of Botox, Dysport, fillers, Kybella, Sculptra. We also do microneedling, which is for the skincare as well. I love the client interaction. I love being able to get to know my clients on a deeper level, as well as discuss with patients, come up with a treatment plan specific to their needs and their desires and their wants. That way the treatment plan is more focused on them and the results that they're trying to achieve. This industry is changing, and I'm able to stay up with the new techniques and provide that service to all of my patients. I work for a couple of amazing doctors that are amazingly kind, genuine, smart, and very talented. I love that I can go to them for any questions that I have, and I'm continually learning from them, as well as just the work environment. We work with amazing women that are always lifting each other up personally and in work. Working here for Utah Facial Plastics, I've learned under Dr. Henstrom and Dr. Thompson how to achieve natural results that people are looking for so that we can enhance their natural beauty and make them the best versions of themselves. For anybody interested in wanting to come see us, the best thing to do is call and schedule. We do complimentary consultations where we can discuss a treatment plan and all of the options and move forward with a treatment plan that's customized to you.